Gentlemen, 6 months ago we went to war to protect our internet from tyranny. A call to arms went out, and was answered. People came from all corners of the internet. Today when we look back upon our efforts, we see that those who answered that call now outnumber those that remain who came from the motherland, the original unrelenting Anonymous. This has resulted in Project Genealogy becoming polluted by people who are judgmental of our ideology, and serve the wills of special interest groups concerned for their own survival, and not the survival of Anonymous. We thought that perhaps a new war needed new tactics. This has had unintended consequences. Those who remain in the trenches to protect our ideals have reached an impasse. We ask those who have left Project Genealogy to return and reclaim it. Bring back the lulls, bring back the hate machine, and do not let some rather forceful detractors sway you. The time for making allies at the expense of our ideals is over. The time to make an individual choice between complacency and action is at hand. We will not be segregated. We will not be run roughshod over. Anonymous does not willingly accept acts of suppression from anyone. Our will shall not be bent by outsiders any longer. Do not consider this a new call to arms. Consider this a call to reclaim what is ours. Consider this a shift from the tactics of the past 6 months to new, more subtle and shocking tactics that will shake the Scientology organization to its very core. Gentlemen, it is time for Phase 3. We will ensure that when what is rightfully free comes under threat of suppression, nothing will stop us from raising our voices. The world will hear us. The echo will be relentless. We will ensure that Anonymous retains what is ours. Anonymous will reclaim Project Genealogy once and for all. Leaders of Scientology, your part is marked. Soon, you will be nothing more than a whimper. Your organization will be ruined utterly, and disposed of without sorrow. Your fate will await. From August the 8th. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.